All right, what is up, guys? Evan Aldo here. So, I wanted to give you a quick Bitcoin Ethereum update for those who missed the live stream, wanted more of a quick and concise analysis here. What is very interesting is we're finally getting on Bitcoin. Let me check if it's on Ethereum as well. The green dot on the 16-day. Now, this is both on Heikkens and on regular candles here. This was the bottom. When we had this and it confirmed here, it ended up being, the bottom for Ethereum. You could come down a little bit. However, you got 16 days for this to confirm. So what could happen within those 16 days? It could get ugly and you could crash down pretty quickly. And it could end up looking like this. Everything within the candle can change before it closes. So that's 16 days. You could come right back down here. That's the same thing on Bitcoin too. I'm not entirely convinced we hit the bottom until this confirms. Then I'm going to be more convinced that we did hit the bottom. However, even after that, if we do go into recession, things could get a little weird in 2023, but there's a much, much more high probability that we have hit the bottom if this does confirm in 16 days. It just started printing right now. So that's very interesting to look at. What I will tell you for more of the short term is, when we did have, a lot of patterns like this, look, we came up, then right back down. We came up, now we're starting to head back down. That's what I'm thinking is, possibility of coming back down. There is, a big possibility. I feel like August, if it's like 2014, August could be a very, very red month, August and September, and then you finally get a bottom in September. Also, you're printing this green circle on the daily. Normally more of a bullish sign, but in bear markets, look, bearish signal. Almost hit the top back here. We could go, it doesn't happen too often here. Worked out for the bullish case. Here, very bearish signal. That was a very bearish signal right there. So it could go either way here. Very split RSIs. If we do come into the green here, the likelihood that we have already hit the bottom and we're headed to green better skies is more likely. If we do come into the green here, haven't come into the green just yet. You're back in the green on the 16-hour. I don't know if it means too much. Look at these areas. Your RSIs, they're together, pointing upward, a little bit more bullish, but not entirely convinced that we've hit a bottom yet, that we won't just crash down from here. View up very high, due to start to curve back down, in my opinion. Also, green dot here. Look at these two. These normally, this one could be different, who knows, but these normally bring you down in this environment. These two did well for the bullish case. This one, I feel like we're due to have one bring it down here. 6-hour, kind of neutral, coming back up with the money flow. Last time you were kind of this high, you came down, so could go either way with that. Not too much to derive from that. 4-hour view up, been above the zero line for a while, starting to curve back down. Bit more bearish, money flow generally coming out, RSI starting to curve back down. Bit more bearish in my opinion, also very, very, very high anchor wave on the 2-hour. It looks like you could do something like this and just come back into the red for a nice bull trap right here. And same with the hourly. So kind of the same here, this big area, big red dot confirmed right there. I have 2 short positions in on BitGet right now. Not going to show them to you guys because it would be unfair to the people paying for the exclusive Discord. If you want to join that, probably wait till the 1st of August because you will get double billed if you sign up now. It's how Patreon works. And if you want to sign up for BitGet, though, there's a really good promo going on right now. Click my link in the description below. Get this screen. Get all these things up to over $4,000 trading bonus. There is also a discount if you use my link for transaction fees for the first 2 weeks. And you could also do simulated trading, too, if you sign up. And they give you some free fake money to play around with. I'd recommend you do that if you're just getting started. It could be a good thing to see what kind of returns you could get on a simulated area for a few weeks or a month or something, just to practice it. So yeah, guys, check that out. Link in the description below. So moving on with our analysis here, lower time frames. The last thing I want to show you for Bitcoin. Look, you're getting a bearish div in your 15, rejecting from that area. See that bearish div coming down. So there is a strong probability based on all of this that you've definitely hit a local top here at least. That's a big area, a big pocket right there. Bam, you come right down. Also, in terms of people, I feel like the short squeeze is pretty much almost over here in terms of people cleaning out the shorts, getting stuffed out. 16-day on Ethereum, that was the time frame, the first time frame that gave us that signal. It doesn't confirm for 16 days. A lot could happen. It could be like over here. See, I'm not saying we're going to come down, 90% or whatever from, oh boy, that would be crazy if we did 90% from that area. We'll just see what that would be if we repeated that. I don't, just full disclosure, I do not think this is going to happen, but yeah, but it could be, over here. It still could be, there's still that probability of 3 to 600 that, that lies in this game. So be careful with that. Also, weekly, your RSIs are starting to curve back up here. This could curve back down, give us a red dot, and that could bring us down similar to kind of how it was over here for a last leg down. See that percentage we got to worry about. See, that was a 61% correction. 61% is more likely than 90%, something around there. That's this point, those are still huge points. And if you look at all those bubble psychology charts, they bring you a little bit lower than how we've already came. So be careful. 2-day, you didn't confirm the red dot. It went away actually. Yeah, same on Huygens too. But it could come back, especially if you come down a bit here. It could come back. And that could become, it's not going to be a blood diamond, but could, look at that one. Look at that one. They bring us down quite a bit. So be careful in this environment. The thing too is if you come up higher than this high right here, that's more bullish. You're probably going to be able to come up to this area at least. But if you don't, then you're probably most likely headed down here and even lower, in my opinion. Money flow coming out in the 10-hour while the VWAP is coming down, pretty bearish. Kind of the same with the 8-hour. VWAP's not coming down in the 8-hour, but still, look at our 4-hour money flow coming out, VWAP coming down as money flow is coming out. That's a bit more bearish, at least for a short term. Same with the 2-hour money flow generally coming out here. High anchor wave in the hour. This could definitely bring you down. These high anchor waves. So RSIs are starting to curve down as well a bit. And money flow is very high in this 30 minutes, so it's a bit overheated as well. My main view is that you'll probably, at least in the short term, come down a bit from this. And if you look at our really low time frames here, money flow has been in the green for a while. Seems to be trying to come down here. 3 minute, look at that. You're trying to come into the red here. So it wouldn't surprise me if you do come a bit further down. Overall, what I really like is, the 16-day. If we could confirm this, then we're good probability we're home free. You got to be careful with the market and everything else, all these recession woos. But look, they printed so much money. Cash is still trash for the most part, but just be prepared, have a plan. That's the most important thing you could do. Again, if you guys want to trade, if you're an experienced trader, sign up for BITGET. Link in the description below. Really good promo going on with only my links, so check that out. Also the exclusive Discord, but I'd recommend waiting for the first to do that. Also my trading course, doing a nice 20% discount if you guys want to learn how I place my trades, technical analysis, risk management, trading psychology, all the things I do to do my trades. Link in the description below. A lot of people have really liked it with the coupon code down below as well. If you want to get Market Cipher, link in the description below with the coupon code down below as well. If you want to do a one-on-one session with me, link in the description below as well. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed this update. Have a good one. Goodbye.